Alright, so as you can see, this was the book we published previously, and right now, if you look at this place, it says paperback and it says live. So if I click on this place right now, you can see if I click on US, you can see here, right here, it's loading. You can see that the book is now live for purchase on Amazon. You can see it right here. So right now, it is live for purchase on Amazon. You see everything the way it is. So remember how we actually did this book from beginning to the end. If you did not watch that video and you're still struggling on how to publish your book on Amazon, please go to my channel DigiTrybe and watch the video. So this is the video right here. Stop getting your book rejected on Amazon KDP. Follow this strategy to get it started. You can see here, this was published 1 day ago, and in fact, this book was accepted within 24 hours. It wasn't up to 24 hours. I got the notification that my book is now live on Amazon. Now, if I come here, this is the title of the book. To see if our book is doing well, if I just copy this title right now and search for this title on Amazon, let's see if we can see it appear on a search bar or on the search result, right? So this is the search result. Let's see if we will see it. This is ADHD. This is another book. Wow. So this is my book on the second position. My book is on the second position. As you can see right here, location is second, which is superb. So all of these things was done, and it was possible because of what? The SEO that was done on this book, right? So it is the SEO that is making it rank for this particular keyword. Of course, I know that we use other keywords for this book. So if I come to, I think is this doc file, no, not here, let me check. Great. So if I come to this place right now, and let's just check for other keyword, ADHD. Okay, let me see this one, ADHD house cleaning book. Let me see this particular one. If we are going to rank for this particular keyword, I'm going to go to here and select books, and then I'll just search for ADHD cleaning books. So why is loading? Let me see if I can also see. I think there's one of the keywords that we saw that was very low, which had about 7 results. I think it was dome something. Let me look for that dome. Okay, this particular one, dome pie ADHD. So let me look for dome pie ADHD, copy it. So we have seen that for this particular keyword, the book ranked second. So we are not counting all of these ones. These are sponsored books. These particular ones right here. You can see sponsored here. You can see that there. We are counting the main books that are ranking on the results. You can see the result page. This is result. So this is the first one. You can see it says location 1, and that's position. And then the second one is our book, which is this one. So imagine that this book is ranking here. There's no way this book is not going to get sales, right? Especially knowing that this search result, search term has lots of searches. If it has a lot of searches, then definitely this book should start selling as soon as possible. So let's search for this particular one again. Why is loading? Let me see this particular result. So let's scroll down and see if we can see our book on this page. Though my network is kind of slow, but let's see. Okay, so I'm not seeing. Let me just scroll down to the last of this first page. I'm not going to go more than the first page. Let's see. This is the first page, and we are still going down. Okay, that's not my book. I thought it was my book. The design is almost close to. Okay, so it is not ranking in this particular one. I'm not seeing it in the first page. Let me see. Okay, so we are done with first page. We are not seeing it in the first page. Now, if you look at this particular keyword, remember what I told you about not allowing your search term to go above 1,000. You can see this one is above 1,000. So definitely we should have some struggle with that. But notwithstanding, it is going to rank as long as the book is ranking in some. With time, it's going to rank for that one. So let's look at this one. So this one, this search term, if this search term has good search, my book should really do well. because of that result we are seeing. So let me see, is the book here? Let me see. Okay, good. So now you can see it also in this particular one. It's also ranking in this place for first page. So guys, you can see when I published the book May 13th. Now if I come to this place, this was when it went live, submitted on May 13th. Now this is when it went live, May 13th. This was when I submitted it, May 12th. You can see. So guys, this is exactly what you need to do to get your book approved on Amazon. Now if you've not joined this channel, Blockchain Plus, make sure you join this channel, because in here I'm not bringing flops for you, I'm not bringing any BS for you. I am walking you through how to do these things and make sure you get the proper result that you need, that will make you actually make money in the digital space. So I said I was going to show us the book, and I've shown us the book, and you have also seen that the book is ranking on Amazon for the search term, for the keywords that we have used. So the next thing we are supposed to be waiting for is to see the sales driving in for that particular book. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this particular video, even though it was just me showing you the final results. But I hope you enjoyed it. So I will see you guys in another video. Thank you for watching.